You raise questions on Indian army, the capability of Indian army. When you say China is ingressed in India, you don't say that it's a Modi's loss. You essentially mean to say that your 1.5 million strong Indian army is not capable of protecting the borders. When your own Papa's Nanaji gave away a lot of land, he essentially accepted a sovereign nation, Tibet, to be a part of China. Why? Who gave him that right? It's the same Congress party which is responsible for division of India. He uses this surname, I'm sorry, of a man who wanted to create a land passage between East and West Pakistan, therefore dividing India further. How do we believe in a man like that? Just because the Gora Admi, the white man, is giving him a stage.